Once, deep in transcendental meditation, I saw my energy hubs in 3 dimensions. They were holograms of various hues projected through and about my body, precisely diffuse and positioned with particular and quite intricate patterns and plots of scattered light. Complex keys that flocked together in varying degrees of coagulation, forming a nation of omnipresent control complexes, transmitting primordial directives and non-local commands to release and unban the corresponding locks of my being. Seeing with the 6th of these energy centers, I entered an arcane state of awareness to understand that the rareness to which I was witness was neither solid nor liquid nor gaseous state, but rather polychromatic quadrates affiliated with wavelength. These ancient schematics were named Cymatics, and as it had been with geometric mathematics, I was now directed to engage.